If only there's a way to make this light more exciting so I can showcase my aquarium properly. Introducing the Hygger 50 watts Smart Aquarium LED lights. Straight out of the box, you have the instructions manual, you have the power cord along with the AC adapter, and here are the power numbers for those of you who are curious. Okay, wow, this has a solid construction and future. Look at those fancy LED bulbs. No more dealing with the fluorescent ones because those are both expensive to replace and also don't last long. Okay, and check this out. There's a Hygger logo. You got the operational control panel right here. Okay, with the connecting switch. So this is a 50-watt one. It's made to fit tanks. That's 36 to 42 inches in length. And I measure mine is about 36 inches. The light itself, the measurement is 34.65, but don't worry because both sides are extendable out. So it's made to fit 36 to 42 inch tanks. And the shell itself is not cheap plastic. It's made of aluminum alloy. And the brackets are made of metal. So here's my 55-gallon, 36-inch wide or length freshwater aquarium. Here is the old setup. Look at the light. It's using a, I believe it's using a fluorescent bulb. That's not going to last long and looks so boring. So let's go ahead and remove this and replace it with the Hygger Smart Aquarium lights. Okay. All right, don't worry. Both ends are extendable. See? Now I just want to center it right there. Okay, that looks good. Since my control panel is close to the power port. Okay, I'm gonna plug it in. Connect the power. Wow, it looks beautiful already. So here's what the setup looks like. I have centered. Here's what it looks like hanging from the edges. Let me walk you through the buttons. Turn on. So your first preset mode or one of the scenes is called, this is a sunlight. It resembles the sunlight. All right. And next up we have, this is called the moonlight. So it resembles a night. And then this is called a fish light. I guess this is their favorite color. Oh, the dwarf grommet went for some air. And then lastly, we have, this is called the ocean blue light. So let me go ahead and switch it back to the sunlight mode, all right? And with the up-down arrows, you can increase the brightness or decrease it. So let me go ahead and take it to the max, hold it down. I think that's the max right there. Yeah. Oh, wait, you don't hold it down. You press it. You have to press it, see? Wow, that is super bright. Look at this. So actually, let me turn off the room light. That's the brightest. Now I'm going to go down to the dimmest level. Okay. And you can play around with any setting you want. It's quite fun. But hold on, that's not all. There are a whole bunch of cool features on the Tuya Smart app. So download that. I'm going to add the device. And in the event that it doesn't detect it automatically, here's how you would manually add it. All right. So what you want to do is have it powered on. 1, 2, 3, and then plug it back in, and it should blink. Discovering devices, there it is right there. Added successfully, done. There we go. I have it working. Let's go ahead and check out all the cool functions. So it defaulted to this page where you can custom sets 2 user-defined scenes. You can mix and match the RGB colors to a rainbow of anything you want. It's so cool. Look at this. It's like I'm an artist. All right. And let's go ahead and go to the, what is this right here? Oh, that's just the device information. You can do device updates. And let's go ahead and go to the lighting sources. See, you can adjust the brightness with the app. See? Okay, so here's the sunlight. So once you select a different scene, it automatically turns it off. Fish light, ocean blue, sunrise. All right, so here's the cool part. You can schedule it, the lighting, to have a cycle, like it gradually cycles up, and then, you know, later in the day it cycles down so the fish can sleep. Similarly, when they wake up, that's what it does. You can set the time, sunrise, sunset time, and all the scene that you want it to work on. And here are the 2 user-defined that I'm talking about. This is so cool. Look at that. That is truly amazing aquarium light. I've never seen anything like this. Well, let's see how the fish react to this new lighting effect. So cool. Let's see if they like the lighting. Look at this. Here they come. Go get your food. It's up there. I know you guys can see it with that bright light. So as you can see, the fish are loving it. And I even turn on the wave maker so it's well circulated. They get their exercise and their food intake in. What an amazing aquarium light. I'm so glad I upgraded. And this app makes it so much fun and unique so you could enjoy your aquarium like it's brand new. I'm sure the fish are loving it too. So if you are in the market for an awesome LED aquarium light that you can set to any mood and lighting you want, definitely check out the Hygger brand.